Our customers use us because they trust us, and prioritizing their safety is our number one priority. Hey folks, Mark Kinney, founder and CEO of Boston Chauffeur. So at Boston Chauffeur, we've taken COVID-19 very seriously, and we followed all CDC guidelines from when the pandemic first came on the radar back in February and March, through today and moving into 2021. Customers need to feel safe in order to travel. Employees need to feel safe in order to be able to work effectively. Each of our vehicles is thoroughly cleaned before going out, and we have an inspection sticker in the door jamb of each vehicle prior to going out. So we are using electrostatic disinfectant systems similar to what airlines and hotels use. Our drivers at Boston Chauffeur always wear their mask over their mouth and nose at all times for the protection of our valued customers. Each customer is provided a guest bag which includes masks in case they forgot them, a bottle of hand sanitizer, and a bottle of water. All our vehicles have partitions in them to protect our valued clients and also our drivers as well. So Boston Chauffeur is excited to offer rapid COVID tests approved by the FDA. These are 15-minute tests that for customers who need an extra level of comfort and want their chauffeur tested prior to their ride. At Boston Chauffeur, we follow all CDC guidelines and continue to monitor them on a weekly basis.